In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Private Internet Access VPN on your Apple TV. The first thing you need to do is to go to the home page of your Apple TV where you can see a list of all of your apps. Once you're here, you want to navigate to the application store and open it up. Once you're inside the application store, you want to head over to the search icon in the top bar, and then you want to go ahead and search for Private Internet Access VPN. Private Internet Access. Once you've searched for it, it should be the first result, which looks like this, and we want to click into it. And here it's going to give you more information about the application if you scroll down. Now to download the application, you want to scroll all the way to the top, and then you want to click on the Get button. However, because I've downloaded this in the past, it shows as a download to cloud icon, so I'm going to click on that, and then after a few seconds it's going to download the application to your Apple TV. Once it's done this, you want to go ahead and click on Open. So once you open the application for the first time, you'll be taken to the login screen. If you already have an account, you want to click on Login. However, if you don't have one, you want to click on Sign Up. And from here, you can choose a plan to use for your Private Internet Access account. Now, Apple does take a subscription fee, so I do recommend clicking on the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment where you can get yourself an exclusive discount and sign up using their website instead, which is going to be much cheaper. So once you've signed up for your Private Internet Access account, you want to go back, and then you want to go ahead and click on Login. And then you want to click on Login via username, or if you have the QR code option available, you can do that. Then you want to go ahead and enter in your username and password and log into your account. Once you are signed into your account, you're going to get this option to send anonymous statistics. So in this example, I'm going to select no thanks. And because it's the first time, we are going to need to configure the VPN. So we're going to click on Configure PIA. And then you want to click on Allow. And now that has been configured, we can go ahead and start using the VPN just as we normally would. So if you want to connect to a server automatically, you simply want to click on the power button in the middle of the screen, and it's going to connect us to the nearest and fastest VPN server. However, I want to change mine to a specific location, so I'm going to click on Location in the top left hand corner, and then you want to go ahead and browse for a location that you want to connect to. For this example, I want the United States. So I found the server I want to connect to, and this is going to be the US East Streaming Optimized server. So I'm going to click on that. And now it's going to automatically connect me to that server, and it's only going to take a few seconds, as you can see. Now we are connected to that server, we can go back to the home screen of our Apple TV, and then for example, if we want to watch US Netflix, we just want to go to the Netflix application. Once Netflix has loaded and you have selected your profile, we can tell that we are on the US based Netflix because we have access to movies we wouldn't otherwise, and as you can see here it says top 10 TV programs in the US today. And now I can go ahead and select a TV program, and I can start watching this TV program just as I normally would. If we want to disconnect from the VPN server, we simply need to open the application, and then you want to click on the power button in the middle of the screen, and that's going to immediately disconnect you from the VPN server. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.